And today, special thanks to our friends at this company that were nice enough to send us this really unique magnetic wireless charging station. This is a 3-in-1 charging station that can charge a mobile phone, wireless earbuds, and a watch all at once. Of course, an iPhone, Apple AirPods, and an Apple Watch. Now, the model here is the X85, and you can see all of the outputs here up to 15 watts. Output for the phone, the watch, and the earbuds is 5 watts. And then there's this part. This is the coolest part. So I have this black color here, and let's open it on up. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send this to me. It actually opens from the bottom here, it seems. So, slide this out. Nothing else in there. Now, that's your adapter for magnetic compatibility if you happen to have an older phone or like an Android phone that does not have MagSafe. You'd have to have an iPhone before the iPhone 12 to not have MagSafe. Then a little manual for the 3-point power 3-in-1 station here. Then they do include a nice USB-C power brick. This is a 30-watt max power brick, which is perfect for trying to charge 3 things at once. This should max out that capability. Then very nice braided USB-C to USB-C cable. This is of course what you would run from that power brick to your 3-point 3-in-1 charger. And then, so we take this out. Look at that, there's the little basketballs. That's freaking awesome. Oh man. And then lastly, we got the hoop. I think that's the hoop. That's it for in the box. And take this off. Look at that. That is something else. So you probably can't tell by looking at this, but your AirPods can go down here on the bottom on the like basketball court. Your Apple Watch can go right here and charge. And then this is where you would put your iPhone to charge. Just freaking amazing. Now, we want to have a little fun. You're able to take this, which it magnetizes to here. And, you know, now you've got you a little basketball hoop. So, I made it. I missed it. Made it. Which is just freaking amazing. I mean, I think that's really cool. Your USB-C port is here on the back on the bottom. Got some nice grip along the bottom here. And you can angle this if you needed to. So just an option if you want to angle it up, you know. But that will essentially do it for the unboxing of this 3-in-1 3-point power magnetic wireless charging stand. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send this to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.